Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to unbox the new product from my MI. So this is the MI Selfie Stick. Actually I ordered two things in this product. So one is like MI's USB-C type data cable, and the MI Selfie Stick. Yeah, this is the one, guys. Okay. And this is the USB-C type cable. Okay. Yeah, let's see what's inside actually. So they mentioned this selfie stick and the product name and the price they mentioned is 1,200 rupees, but we will get it around some 1,100 rupees. Okay. And it's imported from China. That's all about it. Okay. Let's open it. I think it's very hard to open. Yeah, there we go. There is a sticker here, right here. Okay. That's all, guys. I think something is missing, I think. Yeah, I see. Actually, they sent me some. Yeah, they sent me some missing items. Okay. Yes, friends. Actually, I found actually this is inside this one. Actually, yeah. So they'll be placing this remote inside this one. Okay. So it was hiding here, so I was not able to find. Then I found it. Okay. So actually there is a charge also. You can do it. Okay, there is like a USB-C type charge. Okay, you can do it. USB-C type charge here also. Okay, I think I already charged it. Let me try to switch on. I think there should be some light should glow. I'm not seeing it's glowing now. Maybe let me put it for charge. Oh, friends, actually just put it for charge. It's charging. Yeah, I'll continue the later after the charge. Yes, friends, my remote is fully charged now. So now it shows blue color. Blue is the one it shows actually, and while charging it shows red color. Okay, so it's easily removable, guys. Okay, so I'll show you how to connect to the phone. Okay, so go to the Bluetooth and tap on the Bluetooth. Okay, so tap on the Bluetooth, go to that connections, go to Bluetooth. This is the one. Now it shows it's connected, right? Usually we find this XMZY, then that's how we connected. Now it's already connected. Okay, now I'll switch to the photo mode and try to take some photos. Okay, maybe I want to take this fan photo. Okay, I'll show how it works. Okay, just need to connect here. Then click the button. Taken the fan photo. Even switch to video mode. and tap the button. It will stop record the video, and if you don't want it, hold and click on it again. It will stop. Okay, you can stop. Also, this is very comfortable. Actually, you can rotate like any side you want, and also can use it as a selfie stick also. That's kind of a tripod, sorry, not a selfie stick. So you can shoot the video. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching this video. I'll leave link in the description below. If you're interested, you can go and purchase this product. And also, like in the market, right, there is a Realme stick also, but I still found this is a good quality when compared to that. That looks like a little bit taller. Otherwise, everything is fine. That's all, guys. Please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you, friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.